Hi beavers, hi monkeys. So we're going to be playing the substitution of the middle sound now. So let's start. P-A-T, pot. So we're switching the middle sound A with a E. E. It's going to be what? Very good. Pet. Pet. Very good. K-A-B. Cub. So we're switching the A to an A. Cab. Very well. R-A-G. Rug. We're switching the A into an A. I will give you a clue. It's something that we wipe the floor with or the counter. Rag. Rag. D-I-G. Dig. So we're switching the I to an O. So something that barks. Dog. Super. T-E-N. Ten. So we're switching the E into an I. I. 10. It's going to be tin. Tin. Metal. Tin is something that is like a metal. Okay, super boys and girls, I hope you liked it. We miss you. Super proud of you.